This is going to be a video of my 42-inch Heritage Crusader ceiling fan in the white and polished brass finish. It is 4 blades, 3 speeds, electrically reversible, integrated multi-light kit. And the blades are reversible from bleached oak to white on top. I don't know how well you guys can see that. This particular fan was made in June of 2000. And the globes that you see on this fan are not original. And without further ado, we will give it a demo. Here is the light. And I am using 3 60-watt equivalent LED light bulbs in there. And here is low. And the humming noise that you are hearing, that is normal for these older fans. I checked the capacitor and all that, everything works fine. Here's the light. And here's medium. And this is the first video on my new testing rig here, I forgot to mention. So any ceiling fan videos I will film from this point forward will be on this testing rig. And I do apologize for the terrible lighting. This is all I have to work with. Next ceiling fan video on the testing rig will be better. There's the light. And I don't know if I mentioned this or not already, but I'll mention it again. The globes on this fan are not original. And here's high. Now it does hum quite a bit, but then again that's because it's on a testing rig with no insulation whatsoever. Here's the light. And that sound you guys heard, the furnace just kicked on. I don't know if you can hear the helicopter noise. Alright. And we'll do the spin down. I will say this though, the amount of air that this fan moves is insane. And this is like really fast, not gonna lie. I don't know the RPMs on this thing, but I do know that it does move a lot of air. And that slight motor hum, that is normal in these older fans. And again, this is the first video I am filming on my brand new testing rig I have set up here. And again, I apologize for the terrible lighting. Next ceiling fan video I film on this testing rig will have better lighting. And this is set up here in my basement, by the way. Well, there you have it. This has been a video on my 42-inch Heritage Crusader ceiling fan in white and polished brass finish. This was made in June of 2000. And until then, I'll see you guys later. Peace.